it's my dick and I can wash it as fast as I want. Hey, in this video I'm gonna show you how I wrote my very own Twitter bot. But first, why would I even do that?
Tell me why!
Well, you know Twitter is the digital embodiment of the First Amendment. The one from the US. Free speech. And Twitter is one of the only places on the internet where you find the most diverse minds gathered peacefully in the most intellectual of discussions, embracing the spirit of non-judgmental criticism and mutual respect, and serving as an example to the rest of the internet as to what the human race is capable of through the power of open communication. And you know me, I just couldn't miss out on that, you know? I want to flex my rights. I want to flex my freedom to speak freely, even if I don't agree with whatever the bot will say. I'm writing a shit post bot, yeah. It's got to post shit tweets, yeah. Let me tell you about the basic idea. I need something to generate shit posts, and then I can just connect to Twitter under my name and post that thing every couple hours. So luckily there's this terminal application. Fuck out of here with that nerd shit. Hey, hold on, I got ASCII cows and rainbow colors going on here. Just hold on for a second there. So this is what I see whenever I open the terminal. So let me just show you how this works really quick. There's this tool called Fortune, which just spits out random text every time you run it. Then there is offensive mode. This is where we're gonna get our shit posts from. And the cow and the colors was just to get your attention. I'm not really gonna use it. By the way, this time I actually posted the code. You can check it out and it's actually super simple. I'm gonna walk you through it right now. Basically, I just log into Twitter. So we just run this thing in a loop forever. We generate ourselves a little shit post. Check if it's below 280 characters, because sometimes this thing spits out an entire book. Then I go ahead and add some pre-written hashtags. Then we post that shit. Now you sleep for a random time, between 6 and 12 hours by default. I want to shit post respectfully and don't be like a spam bot, you know. Respectfully. Again, all the code is on GitHub. I even added some Docker files so you can run it really easily and get yourself some shit posts yourself. So you can run it on your own server or even just a Raspberry Pi. So for a couple days, instead of posting between 6 and 12 hours, I posted between 20 and 40 minutes. Now I'm gonna give you a live reaction of me reading some tweets that I posted under my name, and it's gonna be very bad. Little heads up here, the offensive tweets might not be safe for work or Twitter. You know, I said I put this up for a couple of days. It must have been 2 weeks. I completely forgot about this. Oh, what's this? Shit post. I made a typo when I deployed this weeks ago. There was a young man of Cape Horn who wished he had never been born, and he wouldn't have been if his father had seen that the end of the rubber was torn. No, not bad, not bad. Vidi vici veni. I saw, I conquered, I came. Oh man, I shouldn't laugh so hard at this one. Evangelist stood with him watching. Man, I'm gonna like my own tweet. The sergeant who walked into the shower and caught me giving myself a dishonorable discharge. Without missing a beat, I said, it's my dick and I can wash it as fast as I want. Yep, good one. How many right-to-lifers does it take to change a light bulb? 2. 1 to screw it in and 1 to say that light started when the screwing began. Ba-dum. Did you know there are 71 acres of nipple tissue in the US? Holy shit. Like, just try picturing that. Like, it's a lot of nipples, man. It's a whole nipple field. What can you use tampons for? Tea bags for vampires. Like, this one's actually really smart. A man needs a mistress just to break the monogamy. I mean, it's true. Somebody even like that. Goddess Vivian Lee. It's a vagina. Captain Hook died of jock itch. Oof. Oof. That's a visual one. This is really good, man. Do you cheat on your wife? Asked the psychiatrist. Who else? Answered the patient. Condoms are like listening to a symphony with cotton in your ears. As I said, I don't use Twitter, so I don't have any followers there, so there was no real consequence. Actually, this one tweet got me locked out of Twitter. I tried to appeal it, saying it's a joke and it was actually posted by a bot, but they were having none of that. Maybe just don't use the bot in offensive mode. But maybe if you want to follow me there and for some daily shit posts, I don't know. Yeah, you can do that. Maybe you can write your own project. There are plenty of places where you can generate shit posts from. There's a random dad joke generator from CNN. Clearly somebody needed that. Tell me in the comments where you found your shit post generator at. That's pretty much everything. I know this was a little different. I actually showed the code and explained what it did, and even shared the code for a change. So I really hope you learned something. Tell me if you like this format. Maybe I'll do some more like this, where I show you how I build very little projects. And I can do this while I'm working on my bigger. In the meanwhile, check out some of my other recent content. It's a little different. Hope you like it. And don't forget to
hit that subscribe button, you nerdy twats.
Okay, bye. I'm done with this anyway.